I never thought I'd be so happy to see a Walmart finally. I stocked up, man. I was paying premium for everything on the Cascade Loop. It's been a while. Oak Harbor, Walmart was the last one I saw. So my biggest thing that I've learned on this is stock up. Stock up on the stuff that you can stock up on. Milk, bread, fruit, and stuff like that. Yeah, you're just going to have to pay the price on the Loop because they can charge whatever they want, and they did. So anyway, I'll put all this stuff away. Well, we're getting to the tail end of the Cascade Loop here, so we'll get on the road here soon and go explore a little more. All right, leaving Wenatchee, guys. Look at these beautiful mountains off in the distance. We are in wine country again. But yeah, leaving Wenatchee and back, this is the Cascade Highway, Cascade Loop. But like I said, we're going west now. We're finishing up the loop officially. We still got to go back over the Cascade Mountains again. Just up and down and up and down. But it's warm here in Wenatchee today, 20 miles down the road in Leavenworth. It's going to be a balmy 70 degrees, and that's what's calling my name. Behind me, I still got Mary tagging along in her Class B camper van. She joined me at the end of my last video. She doesn't really want to be on YouTube or say anything on my YouTube channel or anything, but it'll be nice to have some company today. So we'll go look and see what Leavenworth has to offer today. Look at this place, guys. The Bavarian village of Leavenworth, Washington on the Cascade Loop. What a stop. I just thought I'd look at you guys. Go ahead and walk. Go ahead. I don't know. Trying to think of, try to find some parking. Yeah, let me get parked and I'll get back to you because this is a tiny bit stressful. But this is really cool though. Yeah, parking was tricky. I'm at a dead-end residential area. I'd rather not park in front of somebody's house, but the options were a little limited. It is really busy. So this will work. And Mary's parked right there. And here we go. Welcome into Leavenworth. The Bavarian village of Leavenworth here in Washington. Home of the Oktoberfest also. Right now, it's time to explore. Lots to see and explore and do, but first things first, we're hungry. Got the Leavenworth Sausage Garden. Sausage. All right, well, there's mine. Where's yours? Leavenworth Sausage Garden by Curd. That is tasty. Went with the pretzel and cheese and an apple chicken sausage. Gotta go put some condiments on it though. Got all these sauce choices. Ooh, cranberry, that'd be weird. Lots of different. And sacrilege, just ketchup. Well, we're just gonna pick a spot and kind of start at this end and work our way down. It's pretty busy for a July summer day here in Leavenworth, but check it out. All right, so you got your hotel. You got a bag shop, variety store, the old vinegar cellar. Apparently my trolls know that I'm here in Leavenworth because they're hanging out on the shelf right here. Not gonna have any trouble finding a Leavenworth magnet. Look at all these options. I like this rubber one here. But I've learned my lesson because I always get a magnet and then I'll find a better one down the way. So I'm remembering where all the magnets are so I can get it at the end of the day. All sorts of artsy-fartsy stuff. Those are cool coffee cups. How big that coffee cup is. Look at the artwork though. It's really neat. I love all the storefronts. Really cool. Too bad I don't collect patches. Look at all these fantastic Pacific Crest Trail patch, Olympic National Park, the Pacific Coast. Like if I had a travel leather jacket instead of my Daytona NASCAR one, and I could put patches of all my favorite spots and then wear it around, that'd be cool. Look, there's a whole book on van life. Your home on the road. Sorry. Look, even more patches. True North is calling. Wow. These are all patches. Oh, wow. Northwest Bigfoot. Just the campfire. That is a cool, I think that's cooler than magnets almost, but I'm already vested in my magnets. Well, we got the hat shop here. Get the horse head hat. Actually, they really do have a lot of hats. Rack. Do you think this will freak Jax out? Ooh, the Danish Bakery and the sweet shop. And there's the Nutcracker Museum. in there. Ooh, look at those Danishes. Ooh, let's go check out the gingerbread factory. It's the gingerbread tree. Let's go check it out in here. What they got? Tiny tots. Lots of gingerbread. I like those ones. I got dessert for later. I would say the town looks like to be covering about eight blocks or so. That's cool. They got simple treasures here. I see a lot of Disney stuff. Look at the artwork on the side of the building. That's pretty cool. And they do have horse rides here. Right on. Rosie, okay. Hi, Rosie. Have a good day. And continuing on. What do we have here? Lake Chelan's Hard Road to Hoe. That's what it says. Well, I'll skip the wine. Let's check out Der Sportsman. This entire loop, I have not found a hat or a shirt that says anything about North Cascades loop or anything. Something close here. The North Cascades road trip. It does say Leavenworth on it. I gotta have it. It's a little logo on the front, and the big logo on the back, and it's in blue. Gotta have it. I see Christmas stuff. We're here at Kris Kringle, where it's Christmas all year long. Oh boy. Glittery trailers. Wow, that's shiny. Jeez. So much sparklies. Huge Christmas tree here in the center of the room, and Santa's sleigh with a tiger and a giraffe in it. A Ferris wheel up there. Get this creepy Halloween land. Wow. That is some cool detail. And Nightmare Before Christmas Land.
That should be right up your alley.
Wow. There's Harry Potter. Holy cow, I love Christmas. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I want everything. I'm gonna need a bigger RV. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Hey, A Christmas Story. Mickey, Snoopy, Grinch. Here we are up on the second story now, looking down. Look at this Stranger Things ornaments. I got the whole group here. That's awesome. Leavenworth Shirt Company. Is that a Sam's Bench? Yeah, I think it is. He's kind of tall. Yeah. Check out this mobile brewing station. That's pretty cool. Well, there you go. We have walked all the way through the Bavarian town of Leavenworth, Washington. Really a neat spot. Really fun little spot too. Good food, good drinks. And I got a magnet. I'll show you which one I got when we get back to the RV. Mary and I were thinking about looking for a spot to park our rigs, so we're gonna scope it out and see if there's any boondocking around here. Sound good? All right. So, funny story, we were getting ready to leave Leavenworth and possibly go look at some boondocking spots around here. And as we were driving by, Mary was in front and she went like this and pointed over here to this lot right here, where, as you can see, we're fixing to stay the night. I'll show you the sign. Because I try to tell people when certain touristy cities are really welcoming to RVs, giving you like a specific spot to park your RV. We didn't even know this existed. So I didn't need to park over there in the residential spot all day, but we didn't know. Now this lot is for RVs only. There's a big sign at the front that says RVs only. You can see how much people care about that. But the other rules here, bullet point number 1, is overnight parking is restricted to once in a 7-day period. So you are allowed to spend the night here in your RV for free overnight for one night. Although some people still are even taking advantage of that, and that's why it's probably gonna not last much longer. Please just stay one night and don't, never mind. But thank you, Leavenworth. Special little treat. So I'm gonna catch up with my friend Mary here. She's got to go back to Spokane. I'm going back the other way, back over the mountains. So probably be the last time I see her before I leave Washington State this summer. So But let me show you a couple things inside the RV. Jax, man, I got some souvenirs. Oh, kitty souvenirs? They didn't have any, but I did get you a feather. Did you want it? Would you like that? Would you like to have that? Would you like to tear that up? Would you like to eat it and nuzzle it and put your scent on it? You gonna bite it? You can have it. Okay. Yum, yum, yum. Thanks for the feathers, Dad. Thank you for the feathers, Dad. Oh, the beauty. So I'll wear my new shirt in tomorrow's video. For magnets, I did go with the blue Leavenworth Washington Stein. It's a half Stein. I really like it. I don't have anything like that with my magnets. I'll put that guy right there like that for now. I do have my new magnet board on order. It's waiting for me. Well, not in my post office box because it's rather large, but it's waiting at the post office. I just have to pick it up when I get back. And even though there doesn't exist an actual magnet or any kind of logo about the Cascade Loop, Mary located this special magnet, which is in the shape of Washington State. It's wooden, it's laser etched, and as you can see, there's a Class A in it, a little campfire, and it says Happy Campers on it. So I'm going to hang this to remember the Cascade Loop trip. Always, I'm even going to write Cascade Loop 2019 on the back to commemorate the loop this way, all right? I'm sad that we're getting so close to the end here, but let me show you the treat that I got. From the Gingerbread Factory in Leavenworth. Aww, it's a Wander gingerbread cookie with icing, with mountains, flowers, and Wander. And I bet it's delicious. I'm gonna eat your mountains. I'm gonna eat your mountains. I love gingerbread. I like the Disney ones too, but that's awesome. All right, well, it's about 9 p.m. and there's a few other RVs that are going to use this lot since they allow the overnight parking. I still can't get over that. Do not see that too often, that towns that not only invite RVs and have the lot, but allow you to stay overnight is pretty cool. But I'm going easy, simple. I got my top ramen and a PB&J sandwich. And I still have a lot of editing to do. I'm going to put that off till tomorrow because Mary actually told me about a show, Deadwood, on Amazon Prime. I have not been watching a lot of my Amazon Prime stuff, but I watched the first episode and I really liked it. So we're going to check out some more Deadwood tonight, and then I'll be out of here in the morning. So I'll cut back in the morning and let you know how it was here camping in an urban area. All right, and good morning. Yeah, Deadwood is a great show. It's actually, it was HBO, and then Amazon Prime picked it up. It's an unfiltered Western show. It's like Hell on Wheels, but overload. It's not family friendly, but it's a pretty good show, just so you know. I really like the characters in it. And yeah, slept here really well, actually. It was peaceful here, except for the road noise and a few motorbikes at times. But thank you, Leavenworth, for having this. And the sun shines out, barely any clouds, which means it is time for me to finish the last 60 miles of the Cascade Loop. So I'm going to end this video right here. I'm going to film today and tomorrow, and we're gonna wrap this up. It's been a lot of fun. I've really enjoyed this. Y'all take care. Jax and I will see you in a few days from the Cascade Loop. Bye, guys.